Hello everyone. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the count method for data binding to display dynamic information in the UI. In our previous steps, we successfully implemented a list of all employees and configured it to show individual employee details on click. Now, we will enhance this dashboard by adding a component that shows the total count of leave applications. To build this, we've prepared a container with two labels. Let's walk through the data binding process. Start by selecting the container component. Head over to the Properties panel, locate the Data Binding section, and click on Add Data Source. From the available options, choose Forms, then select the Leave Apply service. Set the method to count and confirm by clicking Add Data Source. Now, we need to add a parameter to make this count dynamic. We will add a new parameter for employee. What we're doing here is mapping this parameter to the employee ID from our main container. This creates a link, so the count query filters its results based on the selected employee's ID. Select the relevant attribute, which is Employee ID, and then click Map to finalize your selection. After mapping, close the Event Store pop-up and right-click on the Dynamic Count label for the binding parameters. We will select the main container as the parent, then bind the label to the count value as demonstrated here. After binding the data source, the label component initially displays the total number of leave applications. When you select an employee from the list, the count instantly updates to show that employee's individual leave total. As shown, Ashok has applied 6 leaves, whereas Ram has applied 0 leave. Finally, to make all these changes live, we will publish our application. This ensures the dynamic count feature is saved and active. Thank you.